to notice different stages of this forest. You got overgrowth back there, and then new growth here. And then we have this. Now, mind you, this was a controlled burn, so it's all good, but that will turn into that by next year. And this is a normal process that we might not even realize this happened or was more common than we think today, but this is a normal process throughout history. Hello everybody, Bekka here. Today I am at William Goodrich Jones State Forest, which is north of Houston in the Piney Woods area, over by Conroe, Magnolia, north of the Woodlands, in that general area. Today, let's go do a little bit more foraging and see what we can find in this area or this location of Texas. So let's get started. So the first plant that I want to talk about today is that plant right there, all around. That's the pine tree. Did you know that just about every part of the pine tree is usable for humans? Yes, it is. Here is a nice little stand of wild grape. Here's a stand of small sweet gum trees. So who remembers using these as cannon fodder for a child's fight when you were young? So there is a plant that should be my poster child to my channel. This is Yaupon or Yaupon holly, and let's get a good look at it. This is chickweed. So that plant right there is yellow dock. Do you see the sorrel growing around it? Dewberry. So I know by now you're probably asking, Bekka, why do you keep filming the same plants? Because it's easy to find these plants, not only for just me, but for the novice or budding herbalist or wildcrafter in the area. And two, it also kind of shows the progression of plants throughout an area, that just because I film in a particular area doesn't mean that a location, say 200 or even 400 miles away, is not going to have those plants, but also it doesn't mean that they will. So let's give an asterisk there. And then another reason I wanted to take this walk is my video that I created about the Dial Woods Park was filmed 3 days ago, which if you haven't seen that, go check that out. I'll leave a card up here. But it also gives a progression of what plants are available closer to the coast versus what plants are available now, 3 days later, north of Houston, which is about 150-200 miles from where I filmed before. There's the dayflower. Here's the Texas bull nettle. Do you see what I see? Dewberries. I will talk with you again soon, and until then, get healthy, be happy, and herbal on. Bye.